In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an embed HTML code on Google Sites. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account in a browser. Then open the Google site where you want to add your embed. This could be an existing site you've already created or a brand new one. Once your site is open in the editor, you should see the familiar layout with your page in the center and a panel on the right-hand side. On that right-hand side, look for the Insert tab. This is where Google Sites keeps all the tools you can add to your page, like text boxes, images, and more. In that Insert panel, you'll see an option labeled Embed. Go ahead and click on Embed. This tells Google Sites that you want to bring in some external content, such as a form, a video, a widget, or any other element that uses HTML. After you click Embed, a small window will pop up with two options. Usually one for inserting by URL and another for inserting by code. Since we already have HTML code that we want to use, choose the option that says Embed Code. This is important because using the URL option won't work if what you've been given is a block of HTML rather than a simple link. Next, you'll see a large text box where you can paste your HTML. Go to wherever your code is stored, copy it carefully, and then come back to Google Sites and paste it into this box. Make sure you include the full code snippet, including any opening and closing tags. If a service has provided you with an iframe or script tag, for example, select all of it before copying. Once your HTML code is pasted in, click the Next button at the bottom of the window. Google Sites will take a moment to process the code and show you a preview of how it will look on your page. This is a good time to double check that the content appears the way you expect. If something looks off, you can go back and adjust the code. If the preview looks good, click on the Insert button. Google Sites will then place the embedded content onto your page. You can click and drag to move it around, or use the blue handles to resize it so it fits your layout nicely. When you're happy with the placement, don't forget to publish or update your site so visitors can see the new embedded content live.